इयत्ता 10वी तुकडी ब सायन्स अँड टेक्नॉलॉजी पार्ट 2 चॅप्टर नंबर 4 एन्व्हायरमेंटल मॅनेजमेंट इकोसिस्टीम review environmental and ecosystem environmental conservation environmental management biodiversity hotspot. What is the परिसंस्था म्हणजे काय, तिचं विविध घटक कोणते, भक्षकाचे प्रकार कोणते, ते कोणते प्रकार कशावर अवलंबून असतात, झाडावरील पक्षी व तलाव यातील काय संबंध असावा, अन्न साखळी व अन्न जाळं यातील फरक काय. What is the ecosystem? Which are its different components in any environmental? There are biotic and abiotic components. There are interaction among these components. All such interaction make an ecosystem. The different components in ecosystem are as follows: abiotic component air, water, soil, sunrise, temperature, humidity. Biotic factor component all the type of living organism like bacteria, fungus, plant and animal. Which are type of consumer. What are criteria for their classification. Primary consumer, secondary consumer, tertiary consumer or apex consumer are the different type of consumer. This type are according to the trophic level to which they belong. What may the relationship between bird on tree, the bird on the tree depending on aquatic organism in the lake for their feeding. Birds stay on tree which are in vacancy of take so that it is easier for them capture fishes, frog. They must also using the same lake water for drinking. What is the difference between food chain and food webs? In every ecosystem there are always interaction between producer, consumer, decomposer. This sequence of feeding interaction is called as food chain. In every food chain there are link between 4 to 5 trophic level constituting the producer, primary consumer, secondary consumer, tertiary consumer. And the link of food chain are linear sequence, but food webs complex network of many small food chain. It factor food webs is collection of many small food chain. Thus, when many food chains are interwoven, they form food webs. Uh, Write the name and category. Write the name and category of each component shown. Picture the utilizing the solar energy, the green plant from photosynthesis. These they are produced of food chain. This food is consumed by grasshopper. Thus, it is primary consumer. Frog is secondary consumer as it dilate consists of insect like grasshopper. Snake is tertiary consumer as it feed on frog, while the have apex consumer as it kill the snake, feed on it. Last picture in food chain, fungus which are acting decomposer. Few bacteria shown in the picture at all level are bring about decomposition. Ecosystem reviews. Ecosystem is formed by biotic and abiotic factor and their interaction with each other. Each factor play very important role in the ecosystem. Producers like plant are important. Herbivores like uh, deer, goat, sheep, cattle, horse, camel feeding upon produced are also important. Predator like lion, tiger, which prevent the overpopulation of herbivores are also equally important. A question many raised in our mind that whereas carpulus found in nature, organism present in 50 place, termite insect present in duct are really useful. However, these organisms are also important through they are dirty. They are responsible for cleaning the environmental. It is made means that our existence due to this factor present around us. Hence, we would care for this factor. This परिसंस्था जैविक आणि अजैविक घटक तसंच त्यांच्याशी परस्पर होणारी आंतरक्रिया हे सर्व मिळून परिसंस्था तयार होते. परिसंस्थेत प्रत्येक घटकाची भूमिका महत्त्वाची असते. अन्न निर्मिती करणाऱ्या वनस्पती उपयुक्त असतात. त्यांना खाणारे हरिण, शेळ्या मेंढ्या, गाई म्हशी, घोडे उंट असे शाकाहारी प्राणी महत्त्वाचे असतात. या शाकाहारी प्राण्यांची संख्या प्रमाणाबाहेर वाढू न देणं. वाघ, सिंह या हिंस्र प्राणीसुद्धा तितकेच महत्त्वाचे असतात. निसर्गात आढळणाऱ्या आळ्या, अस्वच्छ ठिकाणी आढळणारे जीवजंतू, वाळवी, शेणातील किडे यांचासुद्धा खरंच उपयोग असतो का? तर हे जीव घाणेरडे वाटले तरी अतिशय महत्त्वाच्या आहेत. मुख्यतः निसर्गाची साफसफाई करतात. आपल्या भोवती असणाऱ्या या घटकामुळंच आपलं अस्तित्व आहे. या सर्व घटकाची योग्य काळजी घेणं गरजेचं आहे. अन्न साखळीमधील विविध पोषण पातळ्या कोणत्या? ऊर्जा मनोरा कोणता? अँटीबायोटिक ही इकोसिस्टीम, अँटीबायोटिक कॉम्पोनंट, बायोटिक कॉम्पोनंट. अँटीबायोटिक कॉम्पोनंट फिजिकली फॅक्टर, क्लायमेटिक फॅक्टर, एअर, वॉटर, वेपर्स, मिनरल सॉईल, सनलाईट, नेचर ऑफ मिनरल, इनऑर्गॅनिक सबस्टन्स, ऑर्गॅनिक कॉम्पोनंट, मिनरल, हायड्रोजन, ऑक्सिजन, नायट्रोजन, कॅल्शियम, आयर्न, सोडियम, पोटॅशियम, प्रोटीन्स, कार्बोहायड्रेट, फॅट. बायोटिक फॅक्टर, ॲटोट्रॉपस, हेटरोट्रॉपस. ॲटोट्रॉपस प्रोड्यूस्ड प्लांट, प्रायमरी प्रोड्यूसर प्लांट. हेटरोट्रॉपस कंज्युमर, डिकम्पोजर. कंज्युमर animal is primary consumer, secondary consumer, tertiary consumer, decomposer, bacteria. In South India, various places there paddy cultivation on large scale, frequent attack of grasshopper on field, predator frog in large number. Snake is feed on frog. If frog population declined suddenly, the frog population declined all the sudden. What will be effect on paddy crop? It is if the population of frog decline, then will be rise in the population of grasshopper. The paddy field will hence instead with the insect pest. Paddy is cultivated a large scale in various states. South India paddy field are quantity attacked by grasshopper. Similarly, frogs are present in large number in mud of paddy field to feed upon grasshopper. Snakes are also present there to feed upon their favorite food, frog. What will be affect paddy crop? The number of which consumer will be declined, which will increase the food chain if all treated result in imbalance in ecosystem. Paddy, grasshopper, frog, snake in food chain in natural. When by any reason there is decline in the number of frog, thus secondary consumer will also decline. Due to decline, snake, which is the tertiary consumer level, will also decline. The primary consumer, grasshopper, will increase as there is now no check on their population. Due to increased in their population of paddy production will be reduced due to reduced number snake, rat and other rodent from neighboring as will also rise with also secondary consumer. Relationship between environmental ecosystem. Environmental is broad concept of physical, chemical, relationship between environmental ecosystem. Environmental is broad concept of physical, chemical, biological factor affecting the living organism in any possible way, collectively called as environmental. A short environmental is condition in surrounding include many biotic, abiotic, natural, artificial factor. There are two main type of environmental. One is natural environmental, other artificial environmental. The natural environmental consists of air, atmosphere, water, land, living organism, continuous interaction occur between biotic and abiotic factor. Their interaction are very important. Artificial environmental is also affecting the natural environmental directly, indirectly. Basically, environmental consists of two basic factor. Basic factor, abiotic factor. This science that deal with the study of interaction between biotic and abiotic factor of environmental is called as ecology. Basic functional unit used study the ecology is called as ecosystem. पर्यावरण परिसंस्था. पर्यावरण ही अत्यंत व्यापक संज्ञा आहे. आपल्या सभोवताली असलेल्या भौतिक, रासायनिक व जैविक घटकांनी मिळून पर्यावरण बनते. पर्यावरण म्हणजे सभोवतालची परिस्थिती, तिच्यात अनेक सूक्ष्मजीव, निर्जीव, नैसर्गिक व मानवनिर्मित घटकाचा समावेश होतो. पर्यावरण मुख्यतः दोन प्रकार पडतात. एक म्हणजे नैसर्गिक, दुसरं प्रायोगिक पर्यावरण. दुसरा प्रकार म्हणजे मानव निर्मित पर्यावरण. नैसर्गिक पर्यावरणात हवा, वातावरण, जल, भूमी, सजीव इत्यादीचा समावेश होतो. यातील जैविक व आणि अजैविक घटकांमध्ये सतत आंतरक्रिया घडत असतात. त्यांचे परस्पर फार महत्त्वपूर्ण असतात. मानवनिर्मित पर्यावरणाचा देखील नैसर्गिक पर्यावरणावर प्रत्यक्ष किंवा अप्रत्यक्ष प्रभाव पडतो. पर्यावरणात दोन प्रमुख घटकाचा समावेश होतो. जैविक घटक, अजैविक घटक. पर्यावरणातील जैविक आणि अजैविक घटक यांच्यातील आंतर संबंधाचा अभ्यास करण्याच्या शास्त्रास पारिस्थितिकी म्हणलं जातं. पारिस्थितिकीचा अभ्यास करण्यासाठी हे मूलद्रव्य मूलभूत कार्यात्मक एकक मानलं जातं. त्यास परिसंस्था असं म्हणतात. Environmental consists of many ecosystem. We have studied ecosystem in earlier class.